So hello guys, in this video we are going to learn how to convert USDT to TRX. So first of all, you will have to come on Binance.com and log into your account, and after that choose wallet and then choose fiat and spot. So guys, after coming on this window, you will look for this search bar and now type USDT. Now choose the convert option. So guys, after coming on this window, you will see this option. Now click on it and now type TRX and choose this option. Now you just have to put the amount you want to convert. Let's say I want to convert my 1 USDT, then choose preview conversion. So guys, it will show you how much your 1 USDT are worth in TRX. So if you have the sufficient funds, then you can choose this option and it will convert your USDT to TRX. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please subscribe to our channel and thanks for watching.